Student, welcome to my class. Today I will teach you some rule for addition and subtraction of integer. Now, as an example, 8 plus 5 equal to 13. Already we know from the class 1 also. Now again, minus 8 minus 5. It is also 30, but minus 30. Okay, you remember this. Plus is always plus, but minus also operation is plus, but in front of the absolute result we put the sign which is the sign greater value. That means here greater value is 8. In front of 8 minus, therefore absolute value also carry the minus. Okay. Now 8 minus 5 equal to 3. Already we know. But minus 8 plus 5 equal also minus 3. That means here greater value of 8 carry minus symbol. That is absolute value also carry the minus symbol. You remember this always. Minus plus and plus minus also is minus. But symbol is what? Result of the symbol sign, they are integer having the greater absolute value. That means which is the greater number among this? Which symbol carry this number, greater number? This symbol is come to the in front of the answer also. Okay. Now, properties of addition and subtraction of integer. Already we know about these properties. Closure under addition and closure under subtraction. Closure under addition, if a and b are two integers, then the a plus b is also an integer. It is called close under addition. Similarly, if a and b are any two integers, then a minus b also an integer. Number 3, community property of addition. Community property of addition is what? If a and b are any two integers, then we can write also a plus b and b plus c. We already know about this, but this is not called community property of addition. Then the a plus b is also an integer. It is called close under addition. Similarly, if a and b are any two integers, then a minus b also an integer. Number 3, community property of addition. Community property of addition is what? If a and b are any two integers, then we can write also a plus b and b plus c. We already know about this, but this is not called community property of addition. But community property of subtraction is not in subtraction. If a and b are two integers, then a minus b does not equal to b minus c. Therefore, subtraction is not commutative for integer. Now, associative property of addition. If a, b and c are three integers, then a plus b plus c, same we get a plus b plus c, because this is not depend on the place of the integer or order of the integer. Result will remain same. This is called associative property. Subtraction of integer is not associative, as like of community property of subtraction. Additive identity. We already know if 0 is added to any integer, the result of integer is checked. We already know this. If a plus 0 equal to A. That means if 0 is added with a number, we get the number itself. Already we know about this. Here 0 is called the additive identity. Additive inverse. If an integer is added to its opposite, the result is 0. That means if A plus minus A equal to 0, here A and minus A are called the additive inverse or opposite of each other. As an example, 5 can be called the additive inverse of minus 5. Similarly, minus 5 is called the additive inverse of plus 5.